How to deactivate your Facebook account. Let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Facebook. Enter a login credential and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're in here, head over to Menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on this gear icon at the top right corner. In this page, you have to move into See More in Account Center, right above Tools and Resources. Once you're in here, you have to scroll down and then click on Accounts. At the bottom, move into Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select your account and then click on Deactivate Account. And then tap on Continue. Once again, click on Continue. Now you have to enter the password of your account. Once you have entered, click on Continue and then your account will be deactivated successfully. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.